We will create table numbers today, with watercolor background, in Microsoft Word. You will be able to create as many table numbers as needed, by adding extra cells. You can also choose a different font, or a different background, to match your wedding theme. Open a new blank document, in Microsoft Word. Go to Layout, and set the margins to narrow. Click on Insert, and insert a table with 2 columns. Type in, Table 1. You could add a line above and below, but don't worry too much, we will be formatting the cell soon. Select the words, and center the text. Change the font. We are using Dolce Vita font. If you don't know how to install pretty fonts on your computer for free, watch our video on this subject. The link to the video is in the video description below. Change the font size. Hover over the left-hand corner of the table, and right-click the icon, with 4 arrows. Click on Table Properties. Go to the Cell tab. Center the text vertically. Click on Row, and set the height to 12 centimeters. Click OK, at the bottom. Go to the Insert tab, and insert a picture. Select the picture you want to insert. You can find watercolor graphics like this one online, or you could paint it, and photograph it. Click on the picture, and in the Picture Format tab, change the width. Go to the Home tab, and center the picture. Go back to the Picture Format tab, and click on Wrap Text. Choose Behind Text. Hover over the left border, until you see a tiny arrow. Click on the border. This will select the content of the cell. Press Ctrl+C. Hover over the border of the cell on the right. Click on the border, and press Ctrl+V. This will copy the content into the new cell. Delete the word 1, and type in 2. Anytime you need to add more rows below, click just outside the top right corner of a cell, and press Enter. This will create a new row. Follow the same steps to copy the wording to the cells below. Edit the words as needed. Once you create enough table numbers, print the document on quality card, and cut the table numbers out, cutting alongside the printed lines. Save the document as well, just in case you need to reprint some of the table numbers, or need to add more tables. You can place the table numbers in frames, in table name holders, or on stands, such as miniature easel stands.